Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 4th of January. Welcome to vlog 911. We are off today, we're sick of the wind and rain, we're heading to the beach, we're going to meet Aunty Bronwyn and Grandma there. Hopefully the weather's better there. If not, there should be some good waves anyway at least. Well, hopefully, we'll see.
Children of the light, keeping the whole fires burning bright. We'll make them see that this is our time. We got the love, we're gonna let it shine. Bright enough to push back the dark, a fire raging from the smallest spark. Hold us up and we'll do something that will change the world. The fire, we'll turn the shadow to light. We lit the fire, now watch it light up the night. We lit the fire, so I'd hope to return. We lit the fire, now I'm gonna watch it burn.
We made it! We're a bit early, but I bought us a packed lunch and it's lunchtime and I'm hangry.
I'm very hangry.
It's nice out here.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's a little bit breezy, but that's fine.
The tide is in.
It's not raining, so I'm happy. Right, lunch?
Yep, lunch.
Coffee?
No, I didn't bring a coffee.
Oh, let's go home.
I bought Celsius and Musashi.
That's close enough.
Oh.
Oh, what do you guys got?
It's all right for me. I'm not having lunch.
Oh,
I'll have lunch. Oh, I thought we were getting lunch. I thought that was a sandwich.
oh, it's fun.
Can I have a wrap as well?
That tide's turned now, it's going up.
Okay, who was? Look over here.
Oh, look at the jet ski.
Jet ski!
Oh, they're not going to come down.
I'm gone now.
It's coming, people.
There you go, Finn.
Sit there, fisherman Finn.
Catch us a fish. Oh, look at that wave.
There's some little fishies swimming around in here somewhere.
I see an eel.
An eel, it's a log.
It's a bit of wood, man.
I see a bottlefish.
Oh, there's a bottlefish.
What's inside the bottle?
Water.
Got a fish, Mom. I found a really good big white. Yeah.
I don't know if you got it, mate.
There's your fishing line, Harley. No, you got to go right out when the tide's low and then around the corner. But it's only 2 sisters now, one of them's collapsed.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought the 3 were there, Elephant Rock collapsed.
Oh, I don't know. Something's collapsed out there.
Something's collapsed.
Finn.
Fanny Finn. 1, 2, 4, 3. We'll get Dad in the background.
Selfies at the beach.
Alrighty, thank you.
All good.
Oh, it's not Sunday, Mum. Going for a Sunday drive. What is it? It's Saturday.
Saturday.
You're going for your Sunday drive a bit early.
Saturday getaway.
Yeah. So next time I'll have a fish for you, Grandma.
Better.
Oh, boxing away.
Oh yes, look at that, that's that lot.
Right.
Good catch up with Grandma and Aunty Bronwyn.
Good day at the beach. Wind died down, so I'm happy.
Yeah, it's lovely. I had a thermal on this morning, but I had to take that off.
It is going to take some getting used to for me sitting around in the truck with nothing to do because I get sleepy.
You have to start fishing, Ben.
I will always find something to do when we're parked up.
Yeah. Right, back to Stratford. Back to Stratford.
Back to Stratford.
We should have counted how many people came and go as we were sitting here.
We lit the fire. We turn shadow to light. We lit the fire. Now watch it light up the night. We lit the fire. So I'd hope to return. We lit the fire. Now I'm gonna watch it burn. Burn, 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 burn. We lit the fire. We turn shadow to light. We lit the fire.
New World to pick up something for dinner.
Yes. I don't know what yet.
No, neither do I. We'll see what we come back with.
Right. Wasn't over successful.
No, we just got snacks.
Yeah, so dinner at Subway.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go get that.
kids want.
Yummy!
Yeah, a wrap from Subway, so
That'll do.
that'll do.
Mom?
Subway, eat fresh.
I will.
You got
Everyone got their Subway?
your sub wraps from Subway. Man, that took a long
It
time.
did.
They're all backed up with online orders though.
And they got a learner.
And a learner, yeah. And why have we got there?
What you got there?
Right, where are we going now?
Speedway.
Speedway. Haven't been for ages, eh?
No, not
Like,
since last year.
did we even go last year?
Yeah.
I don't think I did I? Might have once.
Yeah, you did.
I know you went with the big kids a couple of times, didn't you?
It was in the highlight video, I think. Oh, might not have been.
Yeah.
It might not have been for ages.
It's demolition derby tonight.
We didn't go anywhere near as much this last season. Don't know why. We used to go all the time, and then we just stopped going all of a sudden.
Yeah.
I think the weather was so rubbish and miserable. We
Yeah.
just couldn't be bothered going out in the cold.
I mean, this night's already been cancelled. Well, postponed till tonight. It was the Boxing Day one. It was just too
Yeah.
wet. So it's going to be a big race night.
It's sort of a double feature thing tonight.
Now won't you light up the night? We lit the fire, so I'd hope to return. We lit the fire.
And we're here.
We're here.
Good parking.
We're gonna head straight in.
I'm going to pack up some bags first with our goodies.
Is 50 cheap or expensive?
How are you? Can I get a family pass, please? And a program. Too much stuff to carry. That one. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, isn't it? Do you want me to hit the other one?
Carry the good one if you'll build it for you. Good, Harley?
There you go.
Yummy.
Now you're away. Got it? Go.
At least that passes wrapper if you want. Both got hoods.
Good?
The chicken's really yummy.
Red light, mate. drop it. Don't drop it.
Pictures!
The time. Oh, that's right. Hey folks, what a great night. Great week here tonight. Thanks to 5-Star Liquor, our local sponsor, for our covering our trip. All the single life sponsors, thank you. So thank you folks for coming along. It's great to have you here. We'll see you next Saturday night. Stay safe everybody. Cheers. See ya. Drive safe.
That's
Real
really dusty.
dusty.
Remember chocolate covered strawberries on the side?
They sold out straight away.
Yeah, no, we got them. We went there, had a look, but they're all gone.
They were gone.
They sold out.
They earned a lot of money.
Easy. Now your turn. Shut up.